The passing out parade of the second batch armed branch recruit constable was held yesterday at 3rd MLP Battalion, Sabseng, West Giant Hills District. Director General of Police Meghalaya, Ida Shisha Nongrang, graced the program as the chief guest and took the ceremonial salute and also inspected the parade. Welcoming the new recruits, Nongrang congratulated the cadets on completing their rigorous training. She reminded them that the challenges ahead will be manifold and the crucial role they will play in their respective unit. She also handed trophies to the winners in different disciplines.
As a number of you might be aware, the 3rd Battalion of the Meghalaya Police is the first IR battalion of Meghalaya. However, setting up of the battalion headquarters for the 3rd Battalion has been one of the major challenges of the Meghalaya Police. This battalion started out in Khitashi, it then moved to Shillong, but with a very temporary headquarters, then moved to Setlake in West Khas Hills, and finally, you have a permanent headquarters here in Sabseng.
The weather report.